いただきます。
Tired of the same bottled dressings? Lately, I've been making my own at home, and I've found 6 simple favorites I keep coming back to. They're fresh, quick to mix, and make every salad feel a little more special. Let me show you how I make them. Let's get started. Homemade dressing series. Today, let's make a refreshing olive oil and lemon dressing. All you need to do is mix olive oil, lemon juice, vinegar, salt, and black pepper. Blend and it's ready. For the full instructions, check out the end of the video or my blog. Thanks for watching. Homemade dressing series. Today, a fresh carrot dressing. Just add carrots, black pepper, vinegar, honey, salt, olive oil. Blend and it's ready. If you want to check out the instructions again, see the end of this video or visit my blog. Thanks for watching. Say goodbye to store-bought dressing. Make just the right amount you need. Fresh every time. No cooking, no chopping. Just mix sesame, mayo, soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and sesame oil. That's it. A creamy sesame mild dressing in minutes. For the full recipe, stick around until the end of the video or visit my blog.
いただきます。
Thanks for watching. Say goodbye to store-bought dressing. I never finish a bottle before it expires. Do you? So if you're like me, here's some good news. You can make your own in minutes. No cooking, no chopping. Sesame, soy sauce, vinegar, sesame oil, and sugar. Mix it up, and you've got a light, savory Japanese-style dressing in no time. Full recipes at the end of the video.
いただきます。
Thanks for watching. Say goodbye to store-bought dressing. Make your own, just the right amount you need. Am I the only one who always ends up throwing away expired dressing? Seriously, I want to give a round of applause to anyone who actually finishes a bottle before the expiry date. Because I never have. So if you're like me, here's some good news. You can make your own dressing in minutes. No cooking, no chopping. Just mix a few simple ingredients you probably already have in your fridge. Today I'm going to show you how to make Caesar dressing. If you want the full instructions, check out the last part of the video or visit my blog. Thanks for watching. I never need to buy my dressing because I make my own and just the right amount. Back in the day, I could never finish a store-bought bottle before it expired. That's why I started making my own. This basil dressing is one of my favorite flavors. Since I'm using fresh basil, it has a vibrant scent and rich savory taste. And the process? Super easy. Just toss everything into a blender and mix. Today I paired it with octopus, broccoli, potatoes, and edamame. It's fresh, colorful, and super satisfying, especially on hot days. If you have any other basil dressing ideas, please let me know.